Hello everyone, I'm Karthika. I'm from Ramanujan section, MPC AI first year. My competitive stream is JEE and MSET. So recently I've written IPE, which is intermediate board exams, which were like for half yearly, and I scored very well in them. JEE also I'm trying a bit and I'm scoring well in it. So basically there is a good balance between them, and every day it's like for 1.5 hours I spend for JEE and the rest of the time for the IP. So basically the faculty is very good. They are teaching us in a very proper way. They are focusing on both IP and JEE. They are kind of very kind. They spend a lot of time with us. Like after the classes we have 1 hour for the doubt clarification where we can ask our doubts.
These have been 3 months where my daughter has been joined in the Gatik college, and I have seen a gradual progress in her studies, both in the IP as well as in the competitive exams. And coming to the faculty here, they are being very cooperative and helping hand, and extra time they are spending with the student if they have any additional doubts and clarifications regarding their curriculum and competitive exams. The second part is the college ambience is very good, and the student, when we are looking into the colleges, we thought how the ambience from school to college transformation for my child would be, but it was very, very excellent in this college. We felt like it was as good as home here.